This is one of my newest air conditioner acquisitions. One of two. This is an old Panasonic. It's a 7,800 BTU per hour. Where is it? 7,800 BTU per hour. In an EER of 10 unit made in April of 1995. Gotten pretty good at these Japanese built machines and their date codes. So it is a sleeved unit, as you can tell, which is actually a really nice feature because where it's going needs to be sleeved because the window is a couple of stories up. Here's the front panel off of it. Panasonic. Really does look like something Samsung or LG built, but I can't be sure. So, put that away. It's kind of plugged in because I was testing it earlier. I only gave $25 for this one. The original price was $50, but yeah, when I went to start it, when I went to try it, the fan motor was bound up. So the guy said, if you still want it, $25 and it's yours. Okay. But now it should fires right up. And excuse the chickens, one of them's sick. Fires right up. Low fan. High fan. Here's your fresh air. Yeah. That's a neat fresh air intake system. Just move that little dingus. So now let's see, we're on low cool. Here's the compressor. It's a Matsushita. That sounds a little bit angry, but still looks fine. Blowing ice cold air. I forgot my temperature probe, but it's blowing lots and lots of ice cold air out of this front thing. And you can see it's frosting up here. I don't know if that's a good sign or a bad sign, but I have not cleaned this thing whatsoever. I literally just brought it home, got that fan motor working, and yeah, reason being, I didn't know if I wanted to put any effort into it, given I couldn't tell its cooling capacity when I got it, but now that it works and it cools excellently, probably doesn't help at all, the back's a little restricted, but it's moving air. It's smooth, so yeah. I'll move this thing real quick. There we go. This sounds a little bit of bearingness from the fan motor now, and I don't know what that is. It's got an M on it. It is. Got an M on it. Really nice motor though. Now it's cooling a lot better, so yeah, it's a good unit, you know. I like it. Filter off, and it does have an economy mode. It's a pretty good spin down time on the fan, I will say. Yeah, it is. A little dirty. So yeah, that's my Panasonic 7800 BTU sleeved unit. I will see y'all in the next video, which is on a WCI Frigidaire 5950 BTU unit with a friggin' massive fan motor. See you guys in the next one.